On January 10th, our company welcomed a group of clients from Australia. The visit focused on the procurement of FRP rebar production equipment, aiming to facilitate in-depth discussions on cooperation details and jointly explore overseas markets. Accompanied by General Manager Zhu, the Australian clients visited the pultrusion production workshop, observed the operation of the pultrusion equipment up close. Afterwards, the clients went to the equipment workshop to examine the comprehensive capabilities of the FRP rebar production equipment in terms of R&D design, manufacturing processes, and quality control. During the visit, General Manager Zhu provided professional and detailed answers to various questions raised by the client and demonstrated the equipment's operation process on site. This vividly showcased our company's technological advantages and manufacturing capabilities in the field of FRP rebar production equipment, which earned high recognition from the client. In the future, GTO FRP will continue to focus on technological research and development, continuously improve product competitiveness, actively expand into international markets, and dedicate itself to providing global customers with higher quality and more efficient products and services.